What is up, YouTube, and welcome back to another video on high altitude investing. In today's video, we are going to be talking about Bitcoin and how I personally think it's about to go completely nuts. But before we get started, if you're not a member of the free Discord, please click the link in the description box below and get started with the free Discord. And without further ado, we'll get straight into today's video. All right, so Bitcoin, we're starting off here on the 15-day candlesticks, and we're looking here on the big picture. And I do have the sine cycle drawn here. So this is the cycles for Bitcoin. You can see we have a bull market back here in 2017, and then a bear market in 2018, another bull market here in 2021, and a bear market in 2022 and 2021. Towards the end of 2021, and the cycle is repeating over and over again here. Now, currently we had another big increase right here in value, and a lot of people are wondering, is Bitcoin going to pull back and go lower here, back down to these lower support levels and go for a correction? Now, what I'm seeing in the chart here is not a correction coming for Bitcoin. My target for Bitcoin this cycle is 250,000 per coin. That's been my target way back here, way early on. In fact, even before the bear market in 2021, I've been calling for 250K per Bitcoin, and I called for 100K per Bitcoin way back here in 2017, and you can see we did hit that recently. So that was pretty cool, but I personally think we will go a lot higher here for Bitcoin in the big picture. Now this cycle, we're not ended for this cycle yet. This cycle could last clear till 2026. You know, it could for sure all through 2025. I think we're going to be increasing in value to kind of finish off the bullish end of this sine cycle. But once 2026 or 2027 comes around, we can talk about a correction potentially coming. But overall, this is looking really, really bullish here in the big picture. And this cycle has not ended. The sine cycle likely has a lot left here before it tops out. So for me personally, Bitcoin is looking really bullish. And if we zoom out here on the bigger picture, you can also see this massive uptrend that's forming for Bitcoin. So this thing's getting ready to just completely skyrocket and blow a lot of people away. And most people don't realize just how bullish Bitcoin really is. Like I said, I think this thing is going to go to 250,000 per coin and really take off here in the near future and blow a lot of people away. So yeah, for me personally, I think 2025 will be very bullish for Bitcoin in the big picture here. And 2026 could be too. I mean, this bull market could even last until 2029. Nobody knows for sure when it's going to top out. But based on this Elliott wave count, I do think we will go up towards 250K before Bitcoin actually tops out, because we have not yet had an extended fifth wave. Now, as far as the timing goes, that could happen this year. It could happen by 2026. It could take until 2029 till we get there. But I personally think that $250,000 per coin is coming for Bitcoin. We're worth 94,000 right now. We're in this massive uptrend, and that fifth wave has not yet occurred. We've started to get a little bit of it, but we have not yet had that extended fifth wave that is common for crypto. Now, if we look at the total crypto market cap, you can also see this is all of the different cryptocurrencies combined, and you can also see this Elliott wave count here, 1, 2, 3, 4. We're watching for a fifth wave here. So we do have an extended fifth wave example right here, over here on the right. And that's really useful to look at because that extended fifth wave is what's coming for crypto. So right now we're worth 3 trillion in total crypto market cap, but this extended fifth wave could take us all the way up to 10 trillion or even higher in market capitalization. So the name of the game is to just keep accumulating as much crypto as you possibly can. buy as much as you possibly can, buy every dip you possibly can, and accumulate as much crypto as you possibly can before this extended fifth wave really goes full force here. Because once this extended fifth wave goes full force, this thing is going to go completely nuts. 250,000 per Bitcoin, but also you're talking about Dogecoin breaking to a new all-time high, Ethereum breaking to a new all-time high, Theta breaking to a new all-time high, XRP breaking out again to a new all-time high. You're talking about all of the top coins breaking out to new all-time highs and making people super, super wealthy as we go from wave 4 up to wave 5 here. Now, as far as how high this can go, it wouldn't surprise me at all to see 10 trillion in total crypto market cap before all of this is over. Like I said, that could happen by the end of this year. That could happen by the end of 2026. It could take us till 2028 or 2029 before we get there. That's what I do see coming for the total crypto market cap here in the big picture as we go for this fifth wave. You can see all of the institutional accumulation down here. There's a heck of a lot of it down there. That's massive volume spikes by big institutions just accumulating insane amounts of crypto in preparation for a big increase in value in the big picture. Now, the total crypto market cap, excluding Ethereum and Bitcoin, also looks really good. You can see a huge cup and handle pattern here for the total crypto market cap, excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. So even these altcoins are looking really bullish right now with this cup and handle pattern. We're in the handle right now, so a lot of people are going to be fearful of the market going lower. Anytime the market drops, people get scared. They get fearful that the market's going to go lower. And while we've been forming this handle, a lot of people have been afraid that the market is going to go lower. But for me personally, I think this thing is going to turn around here inside of this handle and start to break out again based on a lot of different factors, including the big picture trend. You don't want to fight a big picture trend like this. This is super bullish here in the big picture, and you don't want to try to swim against that stream and go in the other direction. So that's one reason to be bullish here. But also this cup and handle pattern is a super, super bullish pattern. You can see we haven't really broke to a new all-time high, but we started to, like a little bit here, but we haven't really broken out and seen a huge increase in another leg up, like what happens every time we go full force into these bull markets. So I think we have a lot left here this cycle for the total crypto market cap, even excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. So all your favorite altcoins as well. Now, if we look at the other market cap for others, you can also see if you're an altcoin person, things are looking really good because we have our expanded flat correction here that ended, it's over. And now we have wave 1 and wave 2. And now what we're really looking for here is our bigger picture wave 3 to start to take place. And I think we've already done wave 1 and wave 2 inside of that bigger picture expansion, which is why a lot of people are panic selling wave 2 right here, because they don't understand that wave 3 is about to come in the subwaves for wave 3. So that's called a 3 of a 3. And wherever you have a wave 3 occurring inside of a bigger picture wave 3, it's going to be really bullish and really impulsive and really vertical. But a lot of people are also going to sell wave 2 because they're not expecting that kind of a vertical move. And you can see that in the chart. You can see a lot of people panic selling, a lot of people afraid down here in wave 2 because they don't know that a wave 3 of 3 is about to happen. And wherever you get that wave 3 of 3, get ready to make a lot of money because that wave 3 of 3 is very vertical and very, very impulsive. A good example of wave 3, actually, a wave 3 of 3 is right here. If we go back here, you guys can see we have wave 1, wave 2, and then look what happened here. Look at that wave 3 that came in the market. That wave 3 was so vertical, just completely insane, right? That's what a wave 3 looks like, but a lot of people panic sell wave 2 before that happens. And you can see here in the chart just how many people panic sold wave 2. That was the COVID drop in wave 2 here. And a lot of people panic sold right before we broke out to a new all-time high and went completely vertical here in the big picture, all the way up to, like I said, a new all-time high, and went vertical for wave 3. So once you understand what wave 3 looks like, once you understand how impulsive that wave 3 really can be, then you start buying wave 2, even though other people are scared, even though other people are concerned about the market going lower. You just pick it up, you buy as much as you can in wave 2, because that wave 3 is going to be super vertical. It's always bigger than wave 1. And for crypto, most of the time we get extended fifth waves. So even the fifth wave is bigger than wave 1, and it ends up being super, super big. It does the same thing that happens in gold or silver or other commodities markets, where gold and silver, they have these big extended fifth waves. Crypto does the exact same thing, but wave 3 is also huge. So if you can get in on wave 2, then get ready to make a lot of profit, because wave 3 is going to be massive, and wave 5 is going to be most of the time even bigger than wave 3. So you got to just buy when other people are fearful. You got to be greedy when other people are panic selling, when other people are expecting the market to go lower. You got to just buy as much crypto as you possibly can in preparation for wave 3 and wave 5. And wave 2, most of the time, is where people are doing that. And that's exactly what we see here with the others market cap here, right? Wave 1, wave 2, that means we're going to have a big impulsive wave 3 here, but a lot of people are selling that wave 2 because they're not expecting that. You know, you don't ever want to panic sell that wave 2, because when wave 3 comes in the market, it's going to be really bullish, really impulsive, and really profitable. So buy wave 2 as often as you can. Anytime you can find wave 2, buy it. That's like the most effective, most profitable, simplest strategy you could ever have, is just buy wave 2. So if you guys want to learn more about this stuff, apply for one-on-one coaching. Link in the description box below. I'll hop on the phone with you, talk a little bit about the opportunity, and I'd love to help coach you to make money in these markets. So yeah, thank you for tuning in, and I look forward to seeing you guys in future videos. Hey, thank you guys so much for tuning into today's video. I love and appreciate every single one of you. If you enjoyed this video, please do me a favor and share it with your friends. And I look forward to seeing you guys in future videos. And as always, stay profitable out there.